body weight exercises. They're a great way to supplement your routine or to work out without equipment. Either way, you can probably only think of a handful of exercises that you know that are body weight that you can do. Well, today, we're gonna add one more to your routine. Hi, and welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl, and today we're gonna be going over the Bootstrap. The Bootstrap is a great exercise that you can use at home or in the gym to get results for your legs. There's two ways that we use it here. One is as a mobility to lengthen and loosen the hamstrings while mobilizing the ankle and the knee joint. And then as an actual exercise, typically in supplement to a squat or any other leg exercise to really overload the quads. So let's learn a little bit more about it. The Bootstrap is great because it's a more functional move. A traditional leg extension, which is what this can replace or supplement, has you in a seated position, straightening your legs. When do you really need to do this? In the Bootstrap position, you're actually going to be mimicking getting up off the ground. Now, we know that you're not going to traditionally get off the ground this way, but it's a little bit more functional and it's a lot safer and takes the joints through a more applicable range of motion. So, without further ado, let's get to it. The Bootstrap, you're down on all fours. What we recommend is 6 to 12 inches between the knees and the wrists. Now, if you can't do this on your wrists, you want to take a box or a bench or something and be on your forearms in an elevated position. Quick modification, everything else that I'm about to show you is going to be the exact same. So on your hands, 12 to 6 inches between your thighs and your forearms, with your toes driven into the ground, all you do is straighten your legs. Okay, now as a warm-up, we would come up and hold for 2 to 5 seconds, back down 2 to 5 seconds, and while you're up, you can also pedal your ankles back and forth. And this is a great way to lengthen and loosen the hamstrings because you're basically going into a hamstring stretch. So as a mobility, that's what you're looking for. As an exercise, that hamstring stretch is going to be what you use as an indication that you've reached your max range of motion and then you're going to come back down. And when you're doing this as an actual exercise or even as a warm-up, the goal as you're going through these motions for however many repetitions you're doing, never set your knees back on the ground. So let's see a couple reps. So if we're doing this for reps, we recommend somewhere around 25 if you were doing this in supplement with another leg exercise. So as you're going up, you're going to feel a hamstring stretch, and then back down, don't let the knees touch, and then up and down. So I'm really controlling the negative, powering on the up, and nice easy pace. And the reason that we say 25 reps, for most body weight exercises, for the average conditioned individual, 10 and 15 is really not going to do a whole lot if this is the only exercise you're doing. If you're supersetting or pairing this with another exercise, it may be beneficial, but really with these long, lean muscles, they can handle way more volume, especially without weight. And so that's the Bootstrap. It's a great functional exercise that can help get results, warm up the legs, or overload the quads. For more great videos like this, click this little button right here to subscribe. And to get notifications, there's a little bell that you can click, and you want those notifications because not just every Wednesday do we release videos. Periodically, we send out some awesome extra information that can really help you guys to accelerate your results. Thanks.